See how they just turned all their cover? Sprint to the barn. I'm that kind of bastard. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I'm slipping. Move, 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 move. Breach mark. Whoa. Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. I'll hold. Yeah. Why don't you respawn by the van? That way I don't nail you. I have a feeling one of them's gonna try to sprint that. Yep, here they go. They're going in. Well, that's one down. We got another one going down the farther side. I got one target though. All right, well keep an eye on him, Noah. Don't let him flank the door.
He's going around the house.
Don't let him flank the door. I think I just got him in the head. Got him in the head. 2 down. Where is he?
He's going through the brush. He's not going to the house.
On the far side?
Yes, the far brush.
Keep an eye on it.
Walk in.
Keep an eye on him. Well, we still got one. Guys in the garage. Where is he?
Far brush.
I don't see him. Oh, I see him. All right, that's fine. Just keep an eye on him. He has. That's the guy with pistols. Got another hit. 3 down. That's the same. I killed him 3 times in a row. Shipman just ran. Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Gotcha?
Yeah.
Y'all hit? Yeah, you see him?
Am I allowed to go basically anywhere in the yard right here?
Yeah, I went to that fence right there, but watch out. They can... Hit him. Hit him while he's open. Hit him while he's open. Hit him. Hit him. He's running. Good hit. Good hit. Good hit, Dust. That's 2 down. 2 down. Good shots. Golf cart. Golf cart. Open fire. Reloading, cover me. Mobile vehicle. By the looks of that, that looks like it just went very badly for them. Tag me in and let me finish this.